Hi guys, it's me again. So today I'm very bad of filming my progress, and because I don't really know how to edit and stuff. But anyway, getting over that. I'm just gonna update you guys with what's going on. I am now 34 years old. I bought my first house at 2019 when I was 31, and now 2023 I am now the proud owner of 3 houses. So I bought my first one at 2019, I bought my second one at 2022, and I bought my third one at 2023. So what I'm gonna tell you guys now about is my third house. I bought it for $255,000 cash. I used the cash from the equity in my first primary house. That's how I got the cash to buy the house. I bought the house in a historical preservation district in Orange County, New York. And basically the house is just a shell, but it has unlimited potential. The potential in the neighborhood that I bought the house in, the house literally is the ugly duckling sitting in between houses that are worth $1 million. That the block is just worth a lot of money. The house overlooks the Hudson River. Beautiful river and mountain views. Very quiet section of town. The community is not so great, but it's on the up and up. And I just bought it in the perfect location. Now the house is I bought the house $255,000 cash, so I paid like $3,000 for my closing costs, $1,250 for my attorney, and about $2,000 something for the title. That's the only fees I paid. So closing it was only $3,000 plus dollars. What was I gonna say? The house was abandoned for several years, so it has extreme water damage at all the penetrations. When I say penetrations, I mean the house has 2 chimneys and a vent pipe, and all the water came in through that, and all the floor joists are rotted. Basically the house is just a shell. I need to do all the roughings, hard surfaces, framing, electrical, plumbing, everything. So it's gonna cost me around $300,000 more in work and material to get the house up and coming. But the house seems to be worth, when I tried to get it insured, the insurance company had the replacement value at $637,000. But when the house is appraised, I'm sure it will be worth upwards of around 8, but we don't know what it's gonna really worth. The house is currently a 2-family with the potential to be a 3, and a full walkout basement that I will be turning into a living space for my mom. And then I'm gonna do all 3 floors as a rental. I'm gonna have a mixture of medium-term rental, short-term rental, and long-term rental. Depends on what goes well and what's most profitable. That's what I'll be doing. But currently I'm in the stages of planning. I went ahead, I got excited, and I started to demo the house, the interior walls, and I got a stop work order. So now I have to scale back and go about it the right way. So that's what I'm doing. I got an architect, a steal of a deal. He's charging me $4,500 to draw the plans from the basement to the top floor, including electrical, plumbing, HVAC, layout. $4,500. So God has blessed me there. So I'm taking full advantage of that. As I mentioned, the house is in a historic preservation district, so I have to follow strict ARC, Architectural Review Board guidelines. But I know everything is going to be great. So I am the general contractor on this house. I'm putting together all the trades, applying for all the permits, hiring people, generally managing everybody on top of having a full-time job. I'll learn a lot, and I'll have a very good asset when it's all done. So follow me on this journey. Mama.